The Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, the Most Rev Dr. Kaziimba Mugalu, has called upon Ugandans to turn to God in prayer as the country and the world continue to face numerous challenges.
Officially announce and invite the entire body of Christ, our partners, and all Ugandans to the third prayer convention scheduled to take place from 19th to 22nd November 2025 at Uganda Martyrs Anglican Site, Namugongo. Our nation and the whole world is affected with a number of issues such as bloodshed and violence, pride and hypocrisy, domestic violence in families.
Speaking to the press at the Provincial Secretariat ahead of the third National Prayer Convention scheduled to take place at the Uganda Martyrs Prayer Site in Namugongo, Archbishop Kaziimba said that Uganda is entering a political season that requires tolerance and respect among leaders and citizens.
As the church, we want to emphasize peaceful elections, urging all stakeholders to work towards a free and fair electoral process. I encourage every candidate to respect the other. We should respect each other. We should champion developmental ideas and foster peace, not violence.
Further noted that many Ugandans continue to suffer from disasters such as floods in Kampala, landslides in the Sebei region, and accidents on highways, calling on believers to pray for God's intervention.
I am deeply concerned about other issues that really need our prayer. The floods in Kampala that caused the loss of people's property and lives. More so, the devastating landslides in Sebei diocese, Sebei region, which caused the death of people and loss of property. The country has registered several accidents, with the most recent major accident along Kampala-Gulu Highway. There are also several border accidents and other accidents, both known and unknown. Some attacks and killings of people in Kasese, Bundibujo. All these things are really a challenge. We need to come together for prayer and call upon the name of the Lord.
The Archbishop urged Christians to actively participate in the three-day prayer convention from 19th to 23rd November, aimed at seeking God's guidance for the nation and upcoming elections.
I want to thank God that there is this chance of meeting together for prayer. I want to appeal to all Ugandans and the body of Christ to embrace this time of this convention, which is organized by the Church of Uganda under the theme, Arise, Pray for Your Generation, from Esther chapter 4, verse 13 to 14.
The retired Archbishop Right Reverend Henry Orombi will be the main guest speaker, while the Director of Missions, Reverend Canon Simon Peter Dembelya Yesu, assured the public of tight security and a well-organized event.
We host around 3,000 to 5,000 people in one place for 3 days. Now watch me very well. 3 days of prayer, 3 days of fasting, 3 days of worship, 3 days of listening to the word. And this year we are led by the retired Archbishop, retired Archbishop Dr. Henry Orombi, under the leadership of His Grace, the Archbishop of the Church of Uganda. We ask you and we call you to spend some time in the presence of God as a nation, but also as a church.
The head of the organizing committee, Oscar Kagonyera, appreciated the dioceses and partners who have supported the event, but said more contributions are still needed.
I want to thank the dioceses that have so far sent in their contributions. They've done a lot, and we really appreciate. We thank the churches, the individuals and companies that have been able to move with us this journey. However much as that has been done, there is a gap that is still there. And this gap needs to totally be filled, and we trust in the Lord.
The 2025 prayer convention is being held under the theme, Arise and Pray for the Generation. The Church of Uganda believes that this year's convention will be a moment of national reflection, unity and spiritual renewal ahead of the 2026 general elections. Julius Mhomza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.